Hello friends, in this quick tutorial I'm gonna show how to blur background in Photoshop. I'm selecting the subject using quick selection tool. Then clicking on select inverse. Now everything except the subject has been selected. Click on filter, blur, lens blur, increase or decrease blur from here. Press Ctrl plus D to deselect. And here we can see before and after result. That's it for now. If you benefited a little from this video, then make sure to subscribe this channel. Thank you.